When someone doesn't have insurance in an accident, it can be fatal to the claim. But it depends on who doesn't have insurance, and it depends if the person that got hurt, perhaps you, carried a certain kind of insurance. So let's break it down. If the other driver that hit you doesn't have insurance, that can be a big problem because they could be at fault, you could be hurt, but there could be no way to collect if they don't have insurance. If that's the case, the only way to protect yourself is to carry what's called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. It's a policy that you put in place so that if this happens, someone doesn't have insurance or they don't have enough insurance, you are protected. You can't go put it on later. So it's something you'd have to do before the accident as a protection for you. Now that's if the other driver doesn't have insurance. If you don't have insurance, the law in Louisiana changed recently, and if you don't carry insurance and the other person hits you, even though they're at fault, even though you got hurt, you cannot collect the first $100,000 for your injuries, which basically means you'd have to be severely injured. They'd have to have a massive insurance policy for you to collect $1. So, takeaways, if you don't have insurance, you have a big problem on your hands. And if they don't have insurance and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy, you have no chance of recovery. My recommendations, carry your own insurance, your own liability insurance, and make sure that your insurance policy also has uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. What do I recommend? I recommend that your insurance policy, A, has liability coverage, B, has uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. That means you're protected either which way. And if you have any questions about what that coverage should look like, what amounts of coverage to carry, feel free to reach out to us. The law firm is Rood & Law. Our website is getrood.com. Our phone number is 833-GET-ROOD, which is 833-438-7833. And we'd be happy to take a look at your policy and tell you what coverages you should or should not have and at what limits. Tune in for our next video to learn more about the trials and tribulations driving on the roads of Louisiana.